how to fix couldn't load high resolution image on Messenger. If you are having problems something like this, or if your Messenger is showing something similar to this, then I'm just going to show you how to fix it. So first thing you want to make sure is that if your image is saying that it's higher resolution and cannot load, then you first have to make sure that your internet connection is good. If you don't have a stable enough internet connection, it might show sometimes. So just make sure that your internet is good. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, then you might want to switch to data and see if that works. And if you are on your mobile data, then you might want to switch to Wi-Fi once to see if that fixes the problem. Then after you do that, what you want to do is long press on the Messenger app, go to your app info, and from here what you want to do is simply scroll all the way down until you see storage and just clear your cache, because sometimes the junk files on the Messenger app might be causing the problem. And after you do that, you can clear all of the data if you want as well. Then one other thing that you have to make sure that is you have turned on all of these permissions, because if the app sometimes doesn't have the required permissions, then it will act up and it will show those kind of problems. And once you make sure all of your app permissions are good, then you should be good to go and you should be able to load the image normally. But if that still doesn't work, then you can try to uninstall the app and reinstall it. And the last thing you can do is restart your phone, because sometimes there might be small bugs and glitches, and restarting your phone will fix those problems automatically. That's all for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.